this morning, I had to get up and I had to have a talk with myself. And I said, bitch, what the hell is you doing? You ain't doing enough. You sitting around. You're lazy. You're procrastinating. You're not giving it all you got. Where are you? When are you going to show up? If B. Simone is on her timeline putting on her waistband, you need to be up putting on your waistband too. You paid your money for yours just like she paid her money for hers. If Stormy Wellington is showing her building that she just got for the launch of her new business line of product, and these are women that you watch, and these are women that you admire and that inspire you to be more and greater, and letting you know that the things that you want to achieve are possible, then you need to be doing the same thing they're doing. Because if you are not doing at least that much, you will not obtain anything close to what they have.
Yes. You are now listening to the melodic, hypnotic, and enchanting voice of your girl JAZZELDA. And I'd like to welcome you to the SHIIBOSS show.
I come in this bitch, running this bitch. All of my bitches 100 in here. All of my bitches gon' fuck with them niggas with hundreds of business and hundreds of spam. But me, I really don't fuck with these niggas and bitches, cause really my patience too thin. The older I get, I pay more attention. That's how I know who my frenemies is. These haters a trip, but I've been on vacation. Needed a break, I stay working them deals. Got money to make, like I'm printing currency. Stay coming in back to back like my bills. Haters don't worry me. That bullshit you want it concerning me. I'm like a vegan, don't do no beef, but put extra cheese on my vegan meat. These niggas gon' give me this bread. These niggas gon' give me this head. None of these niggas I beg. I say it one time and it's dead. I give me the game, I'ma play it, cause I love to play with a check. And most of these bitches is hungry as shit, but you couldn't pay me to care. I could let them feed on the ass. I could let them give me the head. I might get them bitches a mouth full of juicy juice, clear that they thirsty for real. I got no mercy on them, like Master P, I get Percy on them. And ain't no limit, cause I ain't signing, and that's no cursive on them. You bitches dead in real life, you stuck in purgatory. I make it rain while I'm shining, I'm on some perfect storm shit.